Fans wanting what's the fans about reaction to? We are going to be reacting to FNAF FNAF SFM The Wolf by G I'm gonna say Grizzly Beck 125 Springtrap Mike I never mind. But if you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below that you liked it. And let's get straight into the video. Puppet's kind of like one of my. Hiding from the sunshine, wandering in the shade. Not too old, not too young. Every night again, dancing with the moonlight, somewhere far away. I can hear your call. I'm out of my head, of my heart, and my mind. 'Cause you kill my magic. I've reacted to the original ones. I not reacted, but like seen it. I used to say reacted. That's creepy. I won't trust myself once I hear your call. I'm out of my head, of my heart, what's happening to Foxy? No. That was a pretty awesome, well-made animation. Thank you for subscribing. I mean, not subscribing. Thank you for I forgot what the word was now. Suggesting the video, Robotnick, and what was it called? The video was pretty awesome. I like the animation. The only reason I pretty much laughed is because the smile caught me off guard. Most of the time when people are animating the smile, like I just make random beams of it in my head, like literally instantly. I just think it was funny how that can go in a meme, and I just thought of this like one Team Fortress 2 thing. Anyway, if you like the video, comment down, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Adios and peace.